Matter of Vectrus Services. May 18, 2022. Vectrus Services protests the terms of a request for proposals issued by the Department of the Air Force for base operations and maintenance services at Thule Air Base, Greenland. Vectrus asserts that the agency has unreasonably concluded that Vectrus does not meet the solicitation's offer or eligibility criteria. The agency responds that a 1991 Memorandum of Understanding requires that the agency limit competition to Danish or Greenlandic sources. The agency maintains that the 1991 Memorandum is an international agreement that precludes the use of full and open competition. The agency concludes that since Vectrus cannot meet the eligibility criteria, it is not eligible to participate in the procurement. Based on our review of the record, we find the agency properly concluded that the 1991 Memorandum of Understanding was an international agreement that could be used as the basis to preclude full and open competition for this procurement. The protest is denied.